Screens are screaming every hour. Too much truth dressed up as lies. With it feel like it's a favor, while the fire grows behind our eyes. Borders drawn with other people's blood. Words are weapons, silence too. Everybody wants to be right. Nobody wants to tell the truth. They sell us panic, self-control. Dress it up as safety rules. But I can feel it in my bones. Something human is breaking This world is loud, but empty inside. Too many voices, nowhere to hide. They teach us hate, they call it choice. But I still trust my broken voice. In the noise, I stay awake. I won't trade my soul for fate. Let it burn, let it fall apart. I'll stand here with an open heart. Children growing up on sirens, dreams on pause, future souls. Truth is filtered, pain is trending, empathy is getting old. So many prayers without a sound, so many graves without a name. We scroll past words like advertisements and ask ourselves who's to blame. They tell us who to fear tonight, who to love and who to fight. But I don't fit inside their lines. I choose to see, I choose to feel. This world is loud but empty inside. Too many voices, nowhere to hide. They teach us hate, they call it choice. But I still trust my broken voice. In the noise, I stay awake. I won't trade my soul for fate. Let it burn, let it fall apart. I'll stand here with an open heart. If fear is the language they speak, then silence is how I resist. I don't need to scream to exist.